What's up, everyone? How are you guys doing today? We're doing a live on the market right now because the market's been nuts and it's like completely bullish now. So there's been a lot of missed opportunity. I got some videos coming out on that over the next few days. So, I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to read all the comments here. What's up? So yeah, today there's been a lot of missed opportunities, I think, because the markets went bullish. In the Discord, we've made a lot. I made a lot of money on Tesla today, a lot of money on Nvidia, SPY, Walmart Leap options, a lot of good stuff. Hope you guys are doing well. I will let you guys know that I got some exclusive links for the live streams when I do them. So if you guys are interested at any time in joining the Discord and you want to, jump in and become a member at any time, I will have exclusive links for you on that. So just bear with me. I'm going to get my charts, loaded up and everything ready to go for the live stream. AMD is great. I told you guys about AMD. Soundhound's doing good. James Marone, what's up? I told you, man. When you joined Discord, I told you it would take some time, but we would get you there. And we did. What's up, everyone? I am definitely a sneakerhead, 100%. Bear with me. I'm getting some stuff loaded up here. Getting my charts up. We're going to go over and do some charting. And I'm working on getting some links for you guys. Just bear with me here. Okay. Let me see why I can't get this to work. What is going on? There we go. Okay, that makes sense. All right, I had a problem I just had to fix here. Quantum stocks are good, but they're long term, man. Appreciate it, Anthony. SoFi will be okay. SoFi is going to be strong. Very, very strong. Then they're going to beat earnings like they always do. I mean, very, very good CEO, might I add, by the way. Very good CEO. And he's good at, like, sandbagging and under-promising, over-delivering. So I just put right there, I pinned it. That link that I pinned is an exclusive offer into the Discord and into the coaching, okay? Hi, Scott. Adish, what's up? Steven. Nicolina and Michael, what's up? 60 to 1. Another boot camp student in Discord, 60K to 140. And it's crazy, I know, right? It's not hard to go from 60K or 70K to 140K in 5 months at all if you're running the right strategies. So I'm glad you've been participating in the Discord and the trades and you're following along, and you did very well in boot camp, by the way, Michael. So appreciate you being here. SoFi earnings, absolute. AMD is good. Anthony, appreciate you. Augustana, and one of my very first students. Good to see you here. Good to see you. Like I said, that link that I posted is exclusive for you guys to get into the Discord and coaching. We're going to look at some charts now, but I just wanted you guys to have it. This year is going to run and it's going to be exponential. And if you're looking at changing, your income, your trading, your portfolio, would love to help you. And you'll be able to do it because it's the perfect time. Celsius, you have to be careful with. That stock's been kind of like all over the place, It has been absolutely insane with that stock. It's a roller coaster ride. Rivian is good. Robert, if you're new to the stock market, like I said, I have a lot of students that are new. It doesn't matter if you're new, been doing it for a while. You have to understand the stock market is here to take your money. It's not here to help you get rich. And it's psychological. The stock market is designed to take advantage of you and your natural human emotion. And there's no other YouTuber or finance YouTuber that I've seen or heard of that talks about the elephant in the room, which is the stock market is 90% psychological. So it doesn't matter how good of a trader you are, hypothetically, like trading. You could trade all you want, it doesn't matter. They say trading. It doesn't matter. And they say you got to have money, lots of money. None of that matters. The more money you have, the more money you'll blow. That's a fact. So your time in the market and the amount of money you have is all irrelevant. If you can't get past the psychological factor, you'll burn up all your money and you'll lose it, period. That's just it. And no one else teaches that. A lot of my students in Discord actually right now are from other Discords, and they make way more money with me because I teach the real truth, which is that the stock market's psychological. And I teach them how to unplug themselves psychologically. It's very hard to do that. Very hard. This market is very much rigged. Okay, I'll tell you that. You have to be very good at calming your emotions. Okay? You have to calm your emotions down. You absolutely can't run wild, so to speak. Otherwise, you'll be losing money. Applied Digital is good. I'd be careful of that. Leaps on SoundHound is okay, but SoundHound's already very cheap, so you really wouldn't need, you really wouldn't need to have leaps on it. Well, it is a club, and you're not in it, but in my Discord, we are in it because I teach you how to do it. I teach my students how to beat the algorithm. It's all about understanding, not only understanding the stock market, but also understanding that it is designed to work against you. Okay? It's not as simple as just getting into trades. Like, what's up, JJ? How you doing, man? Glad to see some Discord students in here. It's hard to have a price target on Wayfair yet because of how low it's been and earnings, but for the year, it's going to go up a lot. So is Microsoft. They're both going to go up. I'm very bullish on both stocks, 100%. Nah, I'd be careful about Pepe and all those cryptos. I'd be very careful. I don't play into the whole meme stuff. I trade real stocks, real companies, and make real consistent profits. There's always money to be made, and that's what I teach. But with crypto, you got to be very careful. Yeah, that's a good price target on SoundHound. Definitely good. Definitely good. So what I would say is quantum stocks are very strong. But look, I want to explain to you guys something. Right now, the way the market is going up and the way things are leveling off, there's so much money that's going to be able to be made in the stock market in 2025, okay? A lot. But the thing is that there's specific stocks at specific times that are going to make this money. And it can be very easily explained and summed up because you have certain stocks in the market that are tanking and others that are running. But there's a lot of money to be made in the stock market. We're going to go over some stocks, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. For anybody who's not in, who's not in my Discord right now, eventually, hopefully you'll be there. We made some good money in the last couple of weeks. We're going to be printing a lot this coming week because I have identified a lot of trading opportunities and a lot of lucrative ones. Microsoft being one of them. I have students in my Discord that have made thousands of dollars in the last 2 days alone. So like I said, the pinned comment in here is for you guys to join the Discord. We're going to do our analysis like we always do. It's an exclusive offer. You guys want to try to get into the Discord before, I would say before February, like sometime this month, because it's historically a bad month. This year, there's going to be a lot of money to be made, and it's going to be great. And we're going to go over some of these stocks now. AMD is very, very strong, okay? I've been saying that. AMD is the ultimate stock to buy for the year. It's the yearly stock. I did it in my most recent video. Palantir is good, and you can see it's making a run back up. But AMD is my ultimate stock. You know, it's at a bottom. You can see how low the stock is. It is just crazy. It's dirt cheap. It's absolutely dirt cheap, you know? Good to see you, man. I have a call on NVIDIA expiring December 19th. Is it possible to get to 2.8? Oh, my God. On NVIDIA? What is your current call right now? You mean a leap option or a short call that you sold? I'm just curious. I was just waiting to see if he responded because you bought 120. Wait, you have leaps? Is that what you're saying? You bought okay, one call. Is it a 120 call or a 280? Okay. You bought a 280. When does it expire? I would sell $14 puts or $13 puts on SoundHound going 2 weeks out, maybe 3 weeks out. I'm going to give you guys a play that's going to make you some money between now and the 31st. You guys want it? AMD, 120 puts, 120 puts going out to the 31st next week. It's going to print, okay? SoundHound, okay? We're going to look at SoundHound. I'm going to tell you right now. SoundHound, January 31st, $14 puts. Print. Let's go. Let's print. All right? SoundHound is going to probably drop back to $14.60. So you'll be able to fill some $14 puts, and then it'll run back up probably to 15 again, all right? This is what we do in the Discord. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about, okay? I'm going to show you why. This is what we do in Discord every day. I got a student here named Flute. This is his profits today. $2,500 today. $6,000 in the last 2 days, okay? This is what I teach my students to do. He'll tell you right here. See, he made $2,600 in 1 day. That's it. Easy. 100% easy to do this. All right? It's very easy. If you guys see the link is in there, if you guys want to book a call with my team and I and get started, we're going to do a lot of analysis here. So this is what we do. I teach my students, I coach them one-on-one to understand the stock market. And I sold puts on Microsoft on Monday or Tuesday when the stock market opened yesterday for 420 and 422, which is like right here, okay? And the stock market was right here at 426. It dipped down to 425 yesterday, and I sold 420. And look where the stock is today. Those puts are worthless. I sold like 10 of them for over $100 each, $1,000. Free money, okay? Free money. It's very easy. I also have Tesla puts. When Tesla dipped right here, I sold a bunch of 400s and 390s. Stocks up here, down here. It's like it's just consolidating. Bottom back for 50% profit. I have SPY puts at 594, 597, 598, and 604. So a ton of them. Like I've got them here, 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 and here. And look what the SPY is. Tomorrow, I'll buy them all back for like 75% profit. It's very easy. And you guys, like I said, I'm showing you here, my students are doing this all the time, every day. It's very easy. I want you guys to understand it's possible, okay? It's very possible. If you guys want to make some money, you guys want another trade, I'll give you one of my Discord trades. I'll tell you that if you want to make some safe money, Tesla 380 for next week, 370 and 380 for next week. If you want to be more bullish and you don't mind getting assigned the stock, 390 will print for next week. This is very, very lucrative to make money. And the reason I'm able to do this is because you can see there's a lot of resistance on Tesla. You see right there, right here, right here. The chances of Tesla going down here and down here, very, very low. Free premiums, basically, is very strong. You know, I've given you guys the link. It's pinned in here for you guys to join the Discord. Start by booking a call at my team. And if you guys like these analysis that I do in the live calls here on YouTube every week, the Discord is even better because you get 2 of them per week, every single week. And then I'm also going to be able to coach you guys one-on-one. Look, like I said, the stock market is going to fly this year. You guys were in my last live call and my webinar. Some of you guys were in my webinar last Friday. And a lot of you guys were in my last YouTube live that was a week and a half ago. I told you. What did I tell you, fam? In my last live call and my webinar, if you were here, January sucks. But don't worry, I said, as soon as Trump takes office and we get through January, we get through inauguration, the market's going to start to fly. If you were here, you remember I said that, right? You remember I said that. Well, if you remember that I said that, I'm telling you, this year is going to fly. All right? This year is going to fly. Yes, one-on-one coaching is video calls. That's correct. So I told you guys that in previous live calls, which you can go back and watch these live calls. You go back and watch them and see that I'm telling the truth. I said, hey, wait till inauguration, wait till after January 20th, wait till this stuff happens. The market's going to start to go up as we get out of January. The economy will be doing better and things will start to fly. And here we are. I'm telling you, the market's going to fly this year. But if you don't know where to put your money, if you don't know how to trade, if you're a beginner, you don't understand which stocks to pick, which quantum stocks, which AI stocks, if you don't understand this, you're going to miss the train on them. You're going to miss the opportunity to make money. If you don't understand how to sell options, how to be safe and make safe money, how to balance your portfolio so it's safe, how to leverage your portfolio, you will lose money, okay? That's what it is. The premium for the Tesla 380 call is $3,000. That's a lot. No, it's a lot more than $3,000. I didn't say buy a put. I said sell a put. Do not buy a put. You misunderstood me. AMD puts, you want to sell to open. AMD puts, short, sell to open, cash secured puts for 120, January 31st. AMDL, gotta be careful, it's leveraged. The L means leveraged. Anonymous, if you have a small account, you got to be very careful. You want to do credit spreads, put credit spreads, but you got to be very, very careful. I would sell a Tesla 370 and buy a Tesla 360, $1,000 spread, you make about 50 bucks and it's safe. Yes, Nicolina, Tesla put 370 or 380. If you're really risky, do a 390. Cash secured put. Yes, cash secured puts on AMD January 31st, 120. Absolutely. I've sold so many of them. On my $1 million account, or like my $700,000 account, I've sold like 3 of them or 4 of them. And on my $3 million account, I have like 20 AMD puts. AMD, beautiful. All right. Sell those 120s. If you get assigned, the shares are free. Okay. They're free. Who would not want to have AMD at 120? Listen, I'm telling you. Remember I said it. AMD is going to be like $175 this year. If you don't get in now, you're missing out. You're going to miss out. I'm telling you. All right. You want another stock that's good right now? Walmart. Okay. Right here. Walmart. Sell $92 puts. I have like a ton. In one account, I have 4 puts I sold at 92, and I bought leap options at $90 going out to June. Walmart got upgraded to $110. Look at this. $110. And this is going to happen this year. Walmart is going to fly. I told you guys, Walmart over Amazon. I said this in YouTube videos, okay? You want to buy leap options on Walmart right now. Do not wait. Right now. Today, right now, okay? Now, like an hour ago. Leap options. $90 leap options expiring in June. You will thank me in a month or 2 down the road when you double your money on these leap options, okay? Amazon's great. Walmart is better. Walmart has more money, more expenditures, more physical stores. They're old money. Trust me, Walmart. I'm telling you, mark my words. I called Walmart back here when it was 80 bucks, and now November or December. If you need to save some capital, do your leaps to June. They're like 5 months out, maybe even July. That's what I would do. Walmart is amazing, okay? Walmart is amazing. I'm telling you, I have ridiculous puts on Walmart. Like I've sold on my smaller account, which is not my big account, but like my $700,000 account. I think I've sold 10 Walmart puts in like the last 3 weeks. So not a ton, but I'm selling them. I'll show you guys in a minute. Like I'm actively trying to get into Walmart, and I'm missing the train because I'm not selling the puts aggressive enough, but 92 is like a lot of free premium. I've made like $1,000 on Walmart in the past 2 weeks. Like easy. Like it's just easy. Like it's so easy. Okay. Miss Lucia, I would do 92. Yeah, Moheen, buy shares. If you can buy Walmart now, buy it. Period. Buy it. But if you're going to buy Walmart right now at 93, just sell 93 puts, get the free premium. Your break even will actually be 92.50. And let me show you. Let me log into my account. Let me show you. 1 second here, okay? Let me log into my my challenge account, okay? You guys, I'm telling you right now, AMD, Walmart, Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, these are the stocks. These are the stocks you want to be in, okay? I'm telling you right now, Walmart, Microsoft, Tesla, MicroStrategy is good too, AMD. But out of all of them, if I really got to pick the top one, AMD, Walmart, AMD, Walmart. Those are your picks, okay? Those are the ones you want. Give me 1 second here. I'm just pulling it up here so I can share with you guys. There we go. So this is my This is my account right here. I've made $1,400 a year to date. Okay. So that's only because I have some rolling trades, some unrealized gains. Ford is down. I haven't realized my full profits, but you see, if you add this up here, that's like almost 3,000. And then there is another 50 bucks here, 150, that's 200, like 235. And then there's another 70 here. That's like 300, 400, like another like 80 here. It's almost 500. And then, you know, I also have these Walmart. So right now it's going to be about dollars in it. So I'm going to make like $7,000 in 1 month. Like, and I'm only utilizing $60,000 capital. That's it. Not even like 50,000. So when I tell you can make $5,000 or $10,000 a month, I'm doing it like right here. Like 1,500 plus 1,100 plus 100 plus 500 plus my interest, and we still got a week left. I'm going to make like $5,000 easy. And I'm not like making, how many trades do I have? Like 5 trades? Like, it's easy. This is literally easy. Like, I consistently make $5,000 to $10,000 a month in my challenge account every month. So when I tell you guys you can make $10,000 a month, I'm doing it right now. It's easy. Like, it's not hard. This is like the easiest thing ever. Like, very, very easy. Like on Walmart. Let me show you. Look at this. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, okay? Let me show you my closed orders so you guys can see history, okay? So right here, I bought, where is SPY? There we go. I bought to close my SPY for $65 or for $100 right here. You see that? I sold that SPY option. Right here, I made $100 on SPY. I'm looking for SPY to show you guys. Where is it? I can't seem to find it. I made $500 right here on SPY. I made $400 here on SPY. I made $1,000. And then I rolled it out and made $1,100. See right here? It was $1,100. So if we look at my account, I've made like, just on SPY this month, I've made pretty close to $2,000. So it's very, very easy. When I tell you guys that you can make money every month, this is easy. And if you see right here also, I'm in Ford for $10.32. And I'm going to dollar cost average that because earnings Ford's likely to run. I'll probably make like a few $1,000s on that, okay? Just want to give you guys like an idea of what's going on. Very welcome, Moheen. I see Walmart going to like 120 this year, 100, maybe 110. And AMD, like AMD's probably like 160, 170, maybe a little higher. Yes. Buy leaps on AMD at Walmart. NVIDIA 150s. Yeah, NVIDIA will do 150 to 170. What's up, Flute? Flute's my boot camp and my Discord member. If you guys don't believe me, book a call on the link after you hear what Flute has to say. He joined my Discord 3 weeks ago, and he's made like $20,000 in 3 weeks. He'll confirm what I'm saying is that, you know, he'll tell you. Very, very good guy, and I've gotten to know him over the last 3 weeks. I've helped Flute turn his losses into wins. Hey, Flute, how'd you like that Tesla trade and those Meta trades and the Microsoft? What did I tell you, Flute, in the Discord about that about the Microsoft trade. Did I not tell you the Microsoft 422 and 425 was going to print? I told you. I told you. If you guys don't believe me, there's Flute right here. See, me and him are talking. This is his profits right here. He made like $6,800. You see? See, some of these other traders, they might like, you know, or these other YouTubers, they might make stuff up, but I'm very transparent and I tell you guys the truth. Printed money, Flute. You've been printing. I told you, Flute, I told you 3 days ago that Microsoft in the Monday, I think it was the Monday coaching call. I said, Flute, Microsoft is going to print sell puts. I told you. If you guys don't believe, look right here. Do you see right here? Microsoft. I closed them at $15. I closed them at $15. And I sold them for over $100. Very, very easy money this week. Very easy. Big Bear is good. Big Bear is very good. Tesla's volatile. You got to be very careful. And I was right with Netflix. Everybody was worried about Netflix sinking to like 840. And I told you, Flute, I said, get in, sell some puts at like 900, 880, 870, 860, whatever. It ran to 1,000. Those puts were free money, man. Free. Absolutely free. Discord is in English. If you guys, I pinned the link if you guys want to book a call, my team and I. Like I said, Flute was losing money. He jumped in. It's only been like 3 weeks. Flute, how much money are you up? How much money have you made this month since you joined, Flute? If you don't mind sharing. Like, I know you're up a lot. I just don't know how much. It's got to be like 20 grand or something. It's got to be a lot. Like, I mean, you're a great student. Like, you learn so fast. Very smart, too. Very smart. Oh, my God. Bravo. Bravo. Bro, good job. Just so you guys don't know, you probably don't know this, but Flute is actually, he was down a lot of money before he found me. He's already made back like almost half of the money he lost. Very, very nice, man. Give me 2 more months, Flute. 2 more months. And you'll make like another 30 or 40K. We'll get all that money back, okay? Yeah, we'll get it all back. We're going to get all the other trades you were losing up. We're going to make it all back. I told you when you joined, I do things differently than anyone else on YouTube. All of these other YouTubers that have channels, like, they don't understand the stock market because they don't understand psychology. So I teach completely differently. You're very welcome, Flute. I'm blessed to have you. I've gotten to know you over the past couple of weeks. You're like a master musician. Is selling puts better than buying leaps? Yeah, if you got the capital, it's a little safer because you're not putting the money out there. So like you're not sitting on it. When you sell puts, time is your friend because it decays the options in your favor. When you buy a leap option, the stock has to go up. It can't go sideways. When you sell a put, it can go sideways or up, doesn't matter. So if it goes sideways, you still make money. So a put is safer. No matter how you look at it, puts are safer. Yeah, Flute. The weekly calls are amazing. You see, because every time we have a weekly coaching call on a Monday or Thursday in the Discord, we put out new trades. I talk to you guys about the market. We analyze the market. And when you join Discord, you're a part of that. We analyze the market every single week, Mondays and Thursdays. And so, you know, Flute's in there and I'll say, hey, Flute, today Tesla's looking good. Get into Tesla right now. So Flute will say, okay, Corey, I'm going to go sell puts on Tesla. And the very next day, he makes like $2,000. So yeah, that's what happens. You know, we do these live analysis during the week. We do them Mondays and Thursdays, and things change, so they update. And you don't want to miss out on the market this year because it's going to fly. So I pinned the link to book a call in here in the chat. If you guys want Flute Story to be your story, jump in. My goal is to help you guys, all right? That's the goal. I appreciate this is happening, or this is happen. Did I pronounce that right? Garrett, I can't really adjust prices for any one individual. It's unfair to everyone else. But, you know, if you want to sell SoundHound, get your future, do it. If you need to get out, do it. Heck yeah, Flu. It's great, you know? Yes, Miss Lucia, calls are always included. Top 3 stocks this year: AMD, Walmart, Microsoft. Baby Will, masterclass in Discord. You can book a call, but we actually have expiring prices. If you're interested in getting into Discord overnight and not booking a call, we did have links to purchase indirectly if you wanted, but I don't know how we would set that up just yet. Like now, I'd have to check. Yeah, SoFi's going to run. SoFi's going to run. You can book a call with the pinned link. This way, you can book a call with my team and I. We could sit down with you and get you right in on your booked call. This isn't like, you know, this is not like anything else you guys have ever dealt with. Flute will tell you, he booked a call. We got it. We're going to build the system to fit you. I mean, time is of the essence because the stock market's going to fly this year. It's going to fly. The sooner you're in, the sooner you make money. As long as you got a $5,000 account, you could start trading in my Discord. You can do credit spreads on Tesla, but if you want to sell puts, it's impossible. Can you please send the link to purchase the Discord? The link to book a call is pinned in here. Can you see it or no? Pagadors, you're new to my Discord and you're making money? Told you. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you guys book a call now, we can get you in before the rush on the market, okay? It is a very, very lucrative market we got coming up. It's going to be printing, okay? It's going to be printing. Yeah, AMD's solid. AMD is flawless for this year. I'm telling you, fam, AMD, 100%, Walmart, 100%, Microsoft over Tesla. Microsoft, I'm telling you, Microsoft. Meta 2, Tesla, MicroStrategy. These are your big mega caps that are going to do well. Apple should be okay. Buying call options, if they're leaps, are good. You never want to buy short-dated call options because the stock goes up a little bit, pulls back, and comes down. You lose your money. After you've lost that money, then it runs. Look, you've been in this situation before, right? Stock is going up, and you're buying a call option, then it comes down, you panic, you sell it, you lose money, then the stock goes back up again. You don't buy short-dated call options. You buy leap options or shares, or you sell puts. You don't ever just buy weekly calls. They suck. Don't do that. Absolutely terrible idea. Palantir is good. SoundHound is good. SoFi is good. But if you want the real winners for the year, AMD and Walmart and Microsoft. These are like your real big winners for the year. AMD leaps do sound good. Study long and hard before you trade, but that's what I coach. So if you end up booking a call with my team and I, that's what we do. In the Discord, I coach you on that, how to understand the market. And when you join Discord, you actually get a lot. You get like 4 hours of video on demand, in-class coaching, start to finish. It's a full training course, a video on demand training course to take at your pace whenever you're ready. You get full access to the coaching calls twice a week, just like this market analysis during market trading hours, Mondays and Thursdays. And they're recorded so you can always access them. And on top of that, you can go to the Ask Corey section right here and ask me any question 24 hours a day. You can go to the general chat, talk to all of my members. You get all of my trades right here, all of my trades. You get all of my gems teaching you how to trade. And then if you still are having trouble, ask me any question here. If we go to the screenshot profits, look at my members. This member's up $32,000 in 1 month. Look, if you go to this member here, he made $5,000 this month. This member made $300 in a day on one trade. If I scroll through all these trades, here's Flute. He made $400 on one trade in 1 day. Look at Camille. Camille made like $8,000 in a week, $8,000. Look at Flute again, $5,000 on January 6th, 1 day. He made like $5,000. He's in here right now. This guy right here made $2,100 on one trade. Like, it's very easy to do. This guy made $1,000 on one trade. Timmy made $24,000 on the previous month. And like the profits from these students is really great. Like they're doing great. This student, 3x. Since he joined, in 3 months, he's made 200%. Look at this. His account's 52,000. He started with 15,000. Look, 52,000 minus 35 is 17. He started with 17,000. He has 52,000. In 3 months, he went from 17 to $52,000. Okay? Very, very easy. This student made $500 in a day on a $10,000 portfolio. This student made $11,000. It's very, very easy to do this, okay? Very, very easy. I'm showing you the students that started with 17,000 and went to 52,000 in 3 months. Like you guys you can do it. You 100% can do it. You got to be committed to learn, and you have to be committed and ready to let me teach you. Like we're doing right now, we're hanging out. As long as your mind is open, I can teach you, okay? I can teach you. Made $4,400 on Nvidia at 130 a few days ago. Absolutely awesome. Lucky, there's no luck involved here. Luck, it's impossible to call it luck when I have 700 students printing money. The reason it works is it's not a magic trick. It works because nobody teaches you the stock. Look, listen, I'll explain to you right now why it works. Let me tell you why. You buy a stock, right? You buy a call option. Let me show you in a chart. Okay. You buy a call option right here. The stock is running, and you buy a call option. Then it starts to go over here and it starts to go down. You know what you're doing? Oh my God, my option's going down. Oh my God, it's going down. I'm losing money. 20%, 30%, 40%, 60%. Oh my God. And then you sell it down here at a complete loss, right? But then you get back in. Oh, I got to make up this loss. I got to make up this loss. I got to get another trade. So you buy a call option down here, okay? Somewhere down there. And then the stock starts running and you're like, oh my God, I'm up 5%. I'm up 10%. I got to get out. I got to get out so I don't lose money. I got to get out. So guess what you do? You get out right here. You sell it. Yes, I made 5%. Poof, it runs. You could have made 100%. Do you know why you got out? You got out because of fear. And the reason why you lost money over here is because of greed. You were too greedy to lose money, and over here you're too fearful to not, like, you're making money and you're fearful to lose profits. This is the exact opposite way you need to trade. The stock market knows this. It knows you're greedy and you don't want to lose money. So when you get into a losing situation, they tank the market with sandbagging orders and stop loss witch hunting. And then you lose money. And then when you're going up in profits, they know you're going to take profits along the way. So you're selling here and buying here, which makes no sense. This is not luck. It's called human psychology, and that's how we beat the market, and that's what I teach you to do. And it's very, very easy once you understand it. There is nothing about this that is magical. This is psychology. I have a bachelor's degree in finance, and I also have college credits in psychology, and my dad is a clinical psychologist. I've spent the past 25 years being psychologically coached by my father. So I understand how this world works. And the stock market is a psychological mindfuck to take your money. And I know how to beat this, okay? For example, I told Flute to get Microsoft. Corey, how did you know Microsoft was not going to fall? How did you know Microsoft was not going to fall below 422? How did you know Microsoft was not going to fall below 425? Corey, how did you know it wasn't going to break 413 last week when you made $5,000 on Microsoft puts? I bet you if I scroll to the left, there's going to be a lot of people and interest at 410. You ready? You ready? You want to bet me on that? How much you want to bet me that this area right here has got hot interest? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I've made my point, right? Should we keep going another year? Look at the interest. Okay. Not only do we know that's a high area of interest, you ask me why and how I can teach you in the Discord. Let me prove it to you right now. I'm going to show you in a mic drop moment. Ready? Mic drop. I'm going to show you right now why this area of Microsoft resisted. I'm going to tell you why. Watch this. You ready? Let me show you. And you can put yes in the chat right now to let me know if this is what happened to you. So you get into a stock, right? So let's say you buy Microsoft right here. Microsoft is going up, and you know what you're doing? Oh my God, I'm going to sell it. So you sell it right here for 424. Right there for 424. But then Microsoft keeps going up, and you're like, oh no, I could have made more money. Oh my God, I could have made more money. Right? Am I right? Let me tell you what you said to yourself. You ready for the mic drop moment? I'm going to tell you what you thought in your own head when you sold Microsoft, just as an example. You sold this stock here and it kept going and you're like, oh, I could have made more money. This is what you said to yourself. If this stock ever goes back down here to where I sold it or below, I promise God I'll buy it back. You know you did it. Put yes in the chat if you did it. You know you did it. If the stock ever goes back to where I sold it, I'll buy it back again. Come on. You know you did it. I know you did too. 100% I know you did it. It's psychology. So what happens? As soon as the stock starts coming down a little bit, it goes right back here. It gets bought. It goes right here. It gets bought back up. And it goes all the way back up. This is psychology. This is what nobody else on YouTube teaches. And this is why my students are making bank, because it is psychology. I don't care how much money you have. Flew has $250,000 and he lost like $100K in the stock market before he met me. The money doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, fam. It doesn't matter. What matters is what I teach. Psychology. Which stocks, how to trade, when to get in, when to get out, make money. This is how we do it, okay? You got to book a call at my team and figure out what works for you in the call. That's what we do. You book a call. Trump coin, I wouldn't do that. I don't know. Appreciate that, Drew Cuts. Oh, yeah, Ronnie, for sure. Kevin, you're very welcome. The boot camp is very good. If you book a call, ask about the boot camp. The boot camp will take you from a novice to a good trader. Every boot camp student I have is printing, literally. I'll even show you another boot camp student. Just if you guys really want to see exactly what I'm talking about. This is a boot camp student that actually started with $8,000, okay? If you don't believe me, November, $8,000, okay? Look at the screenshot. August 7th, she had $8,000. That's it. $8,000 account. She's almost $50,000 now, but she's well over $40,000. She went from $8,000 to $30,000 from August to December, okay? 4 months. 4 months. Do the math. August to December. You guys can see it right here. August, 8,000. December, right here. December 6th, 40,000. She 4x'd or actually 5x'd, 500% in 4 months. Okay? This is what we do. My other student here, actually, Shane, you've seen his testimonials on YouTube. Shane has went from like 15,000, like 20-something thousand profits in 6 to 8 weeks. It's crazy. Another student of mine who's made a lot of money is Josh Gray. Right here, $800,000. Are you guys seeing that? $1,000 in like 5 months. All right. This is what happens when people join and become my students. This is what happens. All right. Yes, Tesla's good. Tesla's really good. Is there an audio problem? Yes, you can join with zero knowledge. You don't need to know. In fact, I prefer people that are open-minded and beginners. I prefer open-minded and beginners because I can teach, and I can teach anyone. Not everyone's a beginner, but no, just long story short, doesn't matter. I'll teach you. But see, here's the thing though. I love what I'm doing. There's nothing I enjoy more than trading or coaching. I love trading and I love coaching. Tesla's good though. Apple's good too. Win is good. Actually, Win's a good stock. A lot of people don't talk about it. Win is good. Tesla, I would sell puts. I would do like 370s, 380s for next week. Yes. Don't sleep on Apple ever. However, Microsoft is going to be the first $4 trillion company. Neo's good. Prediction for an NVIDIA. I would say NVIDIA, if earnings go well, NVIDIA is probably looking at 150, 160 in the next month or two. Easy. I've pinned the comment in here to book a call at my student and I. Corey Johnson, my student Flute, is in here. My other student Michael is in here, and I got a couple other students in here. My student Flute has made like $35,000 in the last 3 weeks. My other student Michael's made $70,000 in 4 months. He started with $70K. I have other students that started with $17,000, turned it into $52,000 in 3 months. That's $35,000 in profit in 3 months. I have tons of students that'll tell you. Look, if you guys are looking to verify trust in me, let me tell you something. When you're not a good teacher, you'll have negative reviews and lots of negative comments. I have no negative comments on my videos, in this live call, or anywhere. And positive testimonials, you guys know, getting a positive testimonial, even if you're great, is very hard. And I've got dozens of them in this video. That tells you about my character and how good of a teacher I am. There's no secret, Jim. We're not selling a loaf of bread. You got to book a call, and we have to figure out your portfolio size, your expectations. We got to custom tailor this for you. These other gurus on YouTube that say, hey, here, buy my course for $1,000 and come in. That's not going to do you any good. Do you want to make money? Do you want to be promised to make money and then like you don't make money? Or do you want to be guaranteed to make money and make money? If you want to make money, book a call. Period. You'll make money with me. I will make you money, and not only will I make you money, you will beg me to upgrade your membership. That's a fact. Whatever package you book, you will beg to upgrade. Period. It's no. I don't even have to. It is what it, if you don't want to, if you can't book a call, I'll help you on YouTube if I can. When I have time, I'll do these videos too. It is what it is, but I'm really good at what I do, and you will make money. That's the difference. That is the difference. MicroStrategy is beautiful. Sell puts. Autumn, welcome back, Autumn. Autumn's another one of my students. Glad to see you. Sound on and SoFi are good. Awesome, Corey. You got the same name as me. Spelled different, same name. You want the shares? Grab them. There's no harm, no foul in the shares, all right? See, here's another thing too. The difference between me and a lot of these other gurus on YouTube, I'm not a guru. I'm an investor and an educator. There's a difference, but I love this. Like, I'm hanging out with you guys at midnight Eastern time, 9 p.m. Pacific. And this is what I tell my students. And I tell my students the same thing. They'll tell you they're in here. I have almost $4 million net worth. Like, I don't have to be here. I am because I love it. Like, look at my energy level at midnight. Like, I love doing this. I love teaching. I love coaching. I love hanging out with you guys. I love doing this. I can't imagine doing anything else in my life besides being a family member and being a father. This is what I enjoy. I enjoy coaching. I enjoy educating people. I'm going to tell you, when I was a kid, I always wanted to be a teacher. Always. And I used to be an automotive teacher, but it got monotonous. And bam, now I educate people in finance, which I absolutely love. So I do this because I love it. I enjoy it. That's what I enjoy doing. What's up, Brent in New Zealand? SoFi should hit $20, 25 by the end of the year, hopefully. 20K, how would you double in 6 months? Options for sure, partially. There's a lot of ways. How can I grow fast? Well, I'd like to coach you. Book a call. I'd like to coach you. If you don't want to book a call, you don't have to, but This year is going to be great. I'm telling you, this year is going to be great. You don't want to miss out. I'm just telling you. All right? I'm shy, but want to... Oh, don't be shy, Anonymous. Book a call. It's just going to be us talking. Like, I'm going to help you. Do not be shy. All right? There's no shame in being shy. Just book a call with me. You have nothing to worry about. All right? What are you going to tell me that I haven't heard already? I'm new to trading. I'd like to make money. I might be losing money. I'm here to help you. You don't have to be shy with me. I'm here to help you. But I can't help you if we don't talk. So, first step, don't be shy. Never be shy. Flute's right here. He'll tell you, don't be shy with me. Don't be embarrassed. You're losing money? No problem. You're having trouble? No problem. You're new to trading? No problem. You want to retire? No problem. There's no issues. I'll help you. It's not a big deal. It's easy. Zion, excellent, man. I'll see you then. Caesar said, I've been following your videos on YouTube and I've made selling cash secured puts on Pouncer and SoFi on my Robinhood. I'm thinking of becoming a member. Thanks for the videos. You're welcome, Caesar. The link to book the call, right there. You can book a call at any time, buddy. Forward stock, good or sell. Average cost 1040. I'm liking to hold through earnings, okay? I would do that. I'm on some of these calls, and so are my team members. Jonathan, Noah, Phil, Naven, and Anthony, they all work literally right beside me. And then you'll be right in with me. Awesome, True Talk. Awesome. Salesforce CRM is good. I'll look at it. We'll do a prediction. I'll take a look at it. Steve, what's up? What's up, buddy? How's that boat treating you? Steve is another one of my elite members. If you guys want one-on-one coaching for a year, Steve's got one-on-one coaching for a year. Just saw your comment, buddy. Glad to see you. Steve's making money. He's in my Discord and my boot camp. Glad to see him here. Look, let me tell you something. This is how you know that I'm a good coach. All of my Discord members will actually come over to my YouTube videos to hang out. They can't get enough of me. I'm just saying. No, it's because I put the effort in. Good to hear, Steve. It's because I put the effort in. I do webinars, I do live YouTubes, I do one-on-one coaching. Listen, I'm telling you, I live and I breathe coaching and trading and the stock market. This is what I love to do. I like when you love something, you're passionate about it. When you're passionate, you're good. My biggest passion is teaching. Okay? Teaching. Look, I spend more time teaching than I do trading. I love trading. I trade a lot, but I mean, I'm literally coaching all freaking day. Like, it never stops. But I love it. Will TikTok and SpaceX go public? Probably. I wouldn't doubt it. MasterCard, hard to say, but good stock. Thanks, Flute. Hey, Steve, we're going to get that boat, right? You're going to get that boat? We're going to be sailing to the coastlines. Yeah, Flute, you teach music, so definitely. Open Door, I have to check it out. How can I make 15 to 20K a month selling covered calls? Woo! Mo, what's the size of your portfolio? I don't drive a Tesla, James, but I will eventually. I drive a Land Rover. Hell yeah, Steve. Hell yeah. We're going to this year, buddy. We're going to this year. I just realized the calendar's filling up. So if you guys want to book calls, we might be full short term. We might be. I only have $5,000 to trade with and use for what? The booking a call? Top 3 stocks, AMD, Walmart, Microsoft. Oh my God. Canadian? I've got like 15 or 20 Canadians in there at least. Please tell me you're not using Quest Trade. Please. I'm just making a joke. See you, Steve. I'll see you in the morning call tomorrow, buddy. Thanks so much for stopping in. I'll see you in the Discord coaching call. Oh, okay. Quest Trade, use Weeble. What's up, Ann Claire? I have not looked at those stocks. I'll have to take a look. We're the only Corys in here. Hell yeah. Anonymous. Yeah. 5K to trade is pretty good. You can book a call. You can start trading at 5K. I have students that started with 8,000, turned it to 40. I got a couple of students that started with 3, and they were up to 12K in about 2.5, 3 months. So yeah, got to start somewhere. Make it happen. Yeah, question. I'm Canadian and using Wealth Simple. Will that work? Yeah. Whatever you use to trade will work. Weeble is good. Yes, baby. Well, yep. Great videos. I always see them. Innodate is good. Glad to hear, Michael. Glad to hear. Yeah, I told you to do good. What do you see now is very similar to what you see in the 2 weekly Discord calls. Great in-depth information, stocks, advice to week, outlook on the market, and stock. Thank you, Gavin. I try to be very consistent, try to help everyone that I possibly can. Michael, 70K start. I remember when you started. July, right? It was like July sometime. 70K to 145. Double your portfolio. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Win rate doesn't really mean anything, Omar. It doesn't really matter. If you make 9 trades and make $100 in your 10th trade, you lose 1,000. Doesn't really matter. I can win 2 trades out of 10 and still have a 3-to-1 P&L. What is your best trade and what is your worst trade? That's a freaking great question. Pull back on C. Yeah, it might pull back. Jay, we'll take a look at it. My worst trade? My God. I actually won my worst trade. I bought Lyft back in June. At 16, it tanked to $9. I dollar cost averaged to 2,000 shares and sold it for 14 or 15 and made like $5,000. It was the best and the worst trade at the same time. But my best trade was actually Palantir. I had 10,000 shares at Palantir at 21 and I sold them all at 80. I made like 90 grand on Palantir this year. I'm going to blow your minds. For the month of January, this month, in my big account, I've made $130,000 this month, $127,000 in December. I've made since July to now, 7 months, I've made like $800,000. Like, no, like 750 roughly. Dude, I know it's off topic, but you got to give people your opinion on invest with Henry and Christian. Did that say Christian? Chrisane? I don't know who they are. I've heard. I think I may have heard these names before. I'd have to go look. I've heard of some guy like a Felix dude with a cat dude or something. I've heard of him. I think I've seen him on YouTube before, but I don't watch financial YouTubers because like I have a college degree in finance. I don't need their help. I'm a millionaire and I trade. So I don't know. I don't know who these people are. So I don't want to give my opinion on people because if I give a good opinion and you go watch them and lose money, you'll blame me. If I give a bad opinion, then it makes me look like a dick. So I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. All I can tell you is watch my videos, watch other people's, like choose who you want to go with. But I'm telling you right now, my students make money. Felix got the dog. I don't know. Yeah, Felix. It's just like a cat name or something. Felix the cat. That's what I was thinking. I've heard that name before. Jeff, Chris is insane. Henry is sane. I've heard this. I've heard these names before. I have. Uber's good. See, I'm a Catholic. My mom raised me Catholic and told me that if you can't say anything nice about someone, don't say anything at all. And my mom is like, if I said something negative about somebody, even if it's the truth, my mom would like smack me in the back of the head. So I'd be like, sorry, Mom. Like, yeah, I don't know. I'm not perfect, but I try not to get into that game. My whole thing is I worry about me. I worry about me and my students. I worry about what I'm doing. And if someone else isn't doing well, it is what it is. I'm all about positivity, health, well-being. I drink green tea. I live a very meditative, very peaceful life. I try to have positive energy. When you're trading, your mind, body, soul, your spirit, everything's got to be clean. If you can't trade like that, you will not make money. I'm telling you, fam, you will not make money. Felix has a cat as well, but he has dry humor. I wouldn't know because I've never seen these people. Soundhound's great. Appreciate that, Big Mango. I'm your favorite. Thanks, Allison. Yeah, 18%. Allison, wait. You said 18% gains? Hold on. You might have beat me, though. Wait, hold on. 7, 4, 20, 28. You may have, I've only got 17% this year, or 19%. But it's 19% of $3 million. That's why it's 700K. You see? You see? But relatively the same, right? I appreciate that, Flu. I love my students. I do. I really do. I mean, I love doing this. Grab is good. Grab is good. LOL at mom. I do respond to my students at 1 a.m. I love my mom. I was raised Catholic. So, like, I love my mom, love my dad. You know, I was raised a certain way. If I was being bad or talking crap about people or being mischievous or not being a good kid, my dad would straighten that out real quick. They didn't play around. You want to know what kind of YouTube I watch? Oh my God. Everyone say yes if you want to know what I watch on YouTube. I watch his channel too. He's from Germany. He's an English accent. I've never heard of that guy. I don't know who they are. I'm holding some Canadian cash. Should I convert to stock or US dollar? You could convert. I like to watch SB Mowing, this guy who mows people's lawns. It's relaxing to watch him go past the good deeds and fix other people's lawns. And he cleans up dilapidated homes and helps neighborhoods, helps people that are unable to take care of their lawn because they're hurt or don't have money. I love that. Beard Meats Food is amazing. I love Beard Meats Food. Oh my God. What else do I watch on YouTube? I love Yanni. Yanni. Yanni, the motorcycle guy. I love my God, I got motorcycles. I got motorcycles, bro. To all you, like, look. That's my bike right there. I got a Kawasaki Ninja 600. I got a Gixxer 1000. I got that one there, which is the Indian Scout Rogue. It's 1100 cc. It's got a tune and intake and exhaust. Blacked out, murdered out, shattered out, whatever you want to call it. I got a Land Rover. I got a lifted truck. I'm picking up a Hellcat, my 4th Hellcat this summer. So I love motorcycle. I'm a motorcycle head. Oh, Trump's going to be great. Thanks, Pilot. Glad you were part of my last webinar. Oh, yeah. I love those lawn videos. Yes, Wayfair's great, man. Wayfair's good. You got it. CBR is amazing, man. CBR is amazing. Beard Meats Food's awesome. I've been watching the Beard for a lot. This guy ate like 15 pounds of pizza. What? 50, I'm not even, I swear, I'm not even kidding. I swear to God, this guy ate like 6 pizzas. And I'm like, I thought it was impossible to make money in the stock market. But then this guy eats like 6 large pizzas in 20 minutes. And I'm like I don't understand it. Like, this dude's like a legend. Like, how the hell does he eat 6 large pizzas in 30 minutes? Like, I don't. Beard Meats Food's amazing. There's also a hot dog guy. Someone here correct me. What's the hot dog guy? Joey or something? The guy who won the Brooklyn hot dog competition 15 years in a row. The Nathan's guy. He eats like 70 hot dogs in like an hour. Bro, like, what the hell? Like, what? Like, I'm not even kidding. I swear this guy eats 70 hot dogs. Like, I don't get it. It's Joey Chestnut. The dude's insane. Like, what the my God. Like, I don't, what? 70. Fam, he eats 70 hot dogs. 70. Like, as in only 30 shy of 100. WTF. I have trouble eating 3 hot dogs. This guy eats 70. Like, what the just makes no sense. Jared says, here to ask you how much you make a year before taxes. Well, it depends. In 2024, I made like 800K. This year will probably be the same. I average between, well, maybe a little more. I average about $1 million a year, roughly, like 700 to $1 million a year. Like, usually by the time I do my write-offs and my taxes, I usually clear like 700 to 800 a year, maybe $1 million a year. Because I make somewhere between 8 and $1 million, sometimes more I write off, but I don't know. It's pretty close. It's somewhere in that area, give or take. I don't know. Let my tax guy handle that. I stopped counting money a long time ago. Like, my tax guy handles that. I just know that in 2019, I was flat ass broke on the street, basically. And now here, 6 years later, I have a net worth in the millions and can do whatever I want. And that's why I'm helping other people do the same thing, because I really care and I really want other people to have the chance, you know? Ew, mushrooms? Oh my God. Mushrooms. Puh. Oh, gross, man. Ugh. No way, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not doing mushrooms. Come on now. I'm not doing that. I don't care what. I don't care if they're the good ones or the bad ones. And there's no such thing as a good one. That's just my opinion. There's no such thing. Option dates or AMD. Sell 120 puts for next week, the 31st. I was joking. By the way, the lines from Step Brothers. Hell yeah, Jared. How did you get your education to do what you do? I went to college, but psychology plays a lot in it, bro. Psychology's crazy. Yes, Takiro's the hot dog guy, right? I think I've heard that name before. Yeah. Real mushrooms. It's so funny. Eddie, I made my first 130,000 in the stock market. I put money into Amazon and Block or Square, XYZ. It used to be SQ. Back in 2016, I put like 40K in, and it turned out to be like 130K. And then I started aggressively playing puts on Tesla, man. And I turned like almost $1 million in a year. It was insane. So much risk, though. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. What about that lady with 1,000 men? Corey to Corey. Did you mean what I think you meant? The girl with the 1,000 men? We're not talking about the and the in this chat, are we? Just saying. Let's keep it PG-13 if we can. Just kidding, man. Just kidding. All I saw was a lady, and like You put a woman with 1,000 men, it's like, I am Catholic, remember? Lord, I apologize. Damn it. The only 2 damn Corys in here, and you had to go and do that. Shit. Oh, Lord, I apologize again. I'm swearing now. I'm just kidding, dude. I'm just kidding. Bitcoin's strong. See, Bitcoin is a part of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy utilized Bitcoin as their treasury yield. You see, let me pull up MicroStrategy, okay? You guys want another good trade for January 31st next week? Sell 300 on MicroStrategy. 290 to 300 puts are awesome. Corey Hart's a great artist. Nicoyas is going to be great. Very bullish in the stock market long term. Bitcoin is going to boom for sure. 100%, no doubt. That's why you should get some MicroStrategy. Very good. If you guys want to buy leap options on MicroStrategy, let me show you let me show you actually what to do. So here's MicroStrategy. I'm on calls. We'll do call options here. Open this up. We'll do calls. Or excuse me, puts. What am I saying? Calls. We'll do puts. Go out to January 31st. There we go. January 31st. For whatever, it wasn't refreshing properly. Earnings is February 4th. This is crazy. These puts are so lucrative. They're more money than I thought. I wasn't expecting the 300s to be worth 200 bucks. Just making sure. So yeah, sell the 300s right here for 200 bucks. Or you could do 290s for 145 or 310 for 250. MicroStrategy, I'm telling you, fam, MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy leveraged treasury yield. They use Bitcoin as a treasury yield. And Sailor is very smart, very good company. SoFi's price target 25 to 30 by the end of the year. Yeah, MicroStrategy is going to be amazing. Don't miss out on that. Okay, so here we go. Let's walk you through. Click on sell put right here. Click on preview. Bam, collect profit, $178. If you guys need to do this, on Robinhood, MicroStrategy, trade options, January 31st expiration, sell, click on sell, click on put. Let's go down here to $300 and collect or $310 and collect a juicy 250 bucks. Done. Make some free money. Hims is great. Very welcome, Texas guy. Is that your name? Or Texas guy, spelled different. Yeah, SoundHound's great. Who's buying Millennium? No, don't buy. Well, I don't want to tell you not to. It's your money. Can't recommend it, fam. I can't recommend it. Can't do it. Target's a good stock. TGT, very good. TJX, another good stock. Walmart is the king of retail, though. King. Bruce Wayne. Nice name. SoundHound by the end of the year is tough. I say like 25 bucks is possible. Maybe 30. It's going to depend on earnings. But yeah, by the end of 2025, 25 or 30, quite easily. It's going to be a beast on SoFi for sure. Lumen. I'll take a look at Lumen. Haven't seen Lumen in a while. I looked at it a while ago. Neo, tough to say for sure, fam. Neo, that's a tough one. Neo could, you know what? Neo's weird. Neo could go to $50 in like 6 months, but it also could go to $5. It's hard to say. You know, it's hard. Selling puts on SoundHound, 100% good strategy, fam. SoundHound is very powerful. Great stock. If you don't mind getting in, sell puts. Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. Apply digital is good, definitely. Dollar cost average, sell puts to get in. 100%. 100%. Yeah, shorts are a mofo for sure. 100%. And Neo's be wild, and Neo is tough. Neo's tough. Neo's so tough. Like, it's the shorts are killing Neo. The shorts are destroying Neo right now, but it's okay. It's okay. We gonna crush the shorts. We got it. Intel's good. I've been giving warnings to my students in Discord to buy it, and I'll tell y'all right now. Look, we'll go to Intel. Why did it do that? What the heck? There we go. I accidentally put it in wrong. I'm brain farting tonight. Wow. Sell put. Go out to January 31st and sell a 21. They got earnings? Hold on. Intel got earnings. I think there's earnings. Coca-Cola is good too. Cyclicals. Oh, they do got earnings in 7 days. Hold. Wait. Wait for Intel to see how earnings goes. This tough. That's a tough one. That is a tough one, fam. That is a tough one. I don't... If they miss on earnings, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It'll just go down. It'll go down. You could. And I don't see the harm in buying 100 shares or 200 shares, especially if it's like, you know. But if it goes up and you miss the move, it could go up and you could miss the move. That's the problem. You don't. AMD. Yep. AMD, man. Get in AMD. Go over to AMD here. Sell put. Sell put for the 31st. 120. Look at this. 120 is such juicy premium. It's like 134. We could sell, I don't know, 10 of these bad boys. $1,300 for a week. 1 week, $1,300. I love $1,300. Free premium. AMD. Cooler I looked at last week. It's fine, but not really a fan. Salesforce CRM. Let me look at the technicals and financials. So market cap's 318 billion, 10. Price to sales is 10, which is good. EBITDA is good. Pre-tax good. Operating income is good. Net income is good. They have enough on the balance sheet to cover $500 million in cash, no debt. Assets cover liabilities. That's good. Cash flow solid. Earnings seem to be pretty solid. Price to earnings a little on the high side. I wonder what future guidance is baked in. Go to the 4 hour. It's a little on the high side. If you can get in around 320, 330, it's still pretty good. Let's see what happens here. Actually, you can sell puts at like 300 or 310, but if it bounces off this 100 day, if it bounces off this and it's going up like that, You'll be good. Wait for this confirmation of this bounce. If the stock starts to go back up, buy leap options, sell puts, or buy shares. All right? Robert, we can't cover AMC because AMC is I don't trust it. Micron's okay, Jared. We covered that before. You're not into the moon. We want it. We want the stock to go to the moon. Palantir, absolutely. Palantir is going to go crazy now that Trump's in office because he's going to spend a lot of money on defense. Defense spending is going to go to the roof. Palantir is going to get the contracts. Quantum computing is good. IonQ, Rigetti Computing, very good stocks. AMD, sell 120 puts for January 31st. If you guys are new and you guys want to join Discord, we've got to take advantage of the market now before it's too late. Use the link that I've pinned to book a call with my team and I so you can get into Discord and start making money like my students are right now. I actually have Shark Tank on right now. I surround my life with finance and business. That's all I do. And coach. Palo Alto is very good. Definitely good. Just have to watch. Make sure you get in at a good time. JP Morgan's good. Oh my God. Balls deep in Micron, huh? Mars Bar is a great candy. I remember. Sell puts. If you really want to get in, Kobe, sell 72 and 74 puts for January 31st. If you get assigned, get assigned. Serve is good. Be very careful. I'd like to get serve under $10 if you could. Under 10. Okay? If you book a call with the link that I provided and pinned, I can help you change your life and make money. Period. We make money. I'll look at MasterCard. NVIDIA 2000? No. Like maybe 2-3 years, 4 years? Oh my God. Do not spam the chats. Do not spam the chats. I love y'all, but don't do it. If you post the same comment 3, 4, 5, 6 times in a matter of a minute or two, I won't look at the stock. Don't do that. Don't do it. Otherwise, actually, I get it better right yet. Instead of looking at MasterCard, I'll just look at Visa. I will look at Visa instead, all right? No, I'm just, a lot of members don't like to see the same comment over and over and over and over again. I know people, a lot of people want to ask questions. That's cool. Ask it. If I don't answer, ask again. But just don't, flood the chat with the same question. I'll look at MasterCard. Don't worry. I will look at it. Nah, it's not harsh. Shoot. It's not harsh. SoundHound is great. QUBT is pretty good. I'll look at Visa and said QUBT is good. All right, let's look at MasterCard. Actually, you know what? Here. I got it. All right, so you want me to look at Visa, right? All right. So Visa's got earnings in 7 days. Trust me, Visa will do. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I had to do it. I had to do it. I don't think wait, I don't know if I have MasterCard saved, do I? I thought I had MasterCard, but I didn't. I'm actually curious about Visa. Archer, be careful with that. I'm not killing this dude. I'm just making funny jokes. I'm a funny guy. I have a good sense of humor, legitimately. Hey, 483 billion. A 20 price of sales is high. EBITDA is good. 27 billion. Balance sheet's good. They got enough assets to cover liabilities. They got a lot of debt. Ooh, cash flow is pretty good. Priced earnings. Because of Trump and where the market's going, MasterCard is probably good. It's looking okay. But I don't know. I'd be careful. Very welcome. I try to answer everybody if I can help it. Hymns, sell puts, you could do hymns. For hymns, I'd say 26 would be probably safer. Do 26 for next week. SPY is great, but it's probably going to pull back a bit. Rigetti's good. Be very careful on Rigetti. Big Mango, pull a poor man cover calls on what stock? The next webinar is going to be the 31st. You guys got heads up notice, the 31st. We do, Tommy. Book a call. We'll take care of you. Enovix is good. Be careful. I'll make an announcement on my YouTube video for you to register for the webinar. It'll probably start on Sunday. The video will have registration instructions this Sunday, Saturday or Sunday. No big farm. I don't like big farm at all. You have to have a college degree to trade pharma stocks because they're nuts. They're absolutely crazy. I wouldn't touch it. Yeah, Paul, you need to have like you have to have 30,000, 40,000 to trade that stock, like 30K. You're very welcome, Allison. Kevin, you got to book a call right now. We're filling up. We don't have much spot left, or many spots left. Here's a reason to join Discord. Look, my student Josh went from 400K to 800K, 400,000 in 6 months. I have other students like Flute, who's making like $6,000-$7,000 in a few days window. He's made $35,000 in 3 weeks. You get to go to the Ask Corey section, ask any questions for me. You get all of my trades. You get all the recordings and every live call every week. General chat with hundreds of members. And then on top of that, you know, the most important part about it, you get weekly calls with me twice a week. You get me as your coach. Definitely book a call. I've pinned the link in this YouTube video, okay? Be careful with Riot. Absolutely, Spaghetti, I do. I do. I work with students 5K to 10K. Let me help you grow your portfolio. The market is going to fly this year. You don't want to miss that opportunity. I'm dedicated to helping my students make money in the stock market. That's what I'm dedicated to. I don't bully my friends. No, I don't do that. I've never looked at CIFR. I'll have to. We're getting ready to wrap up tonight. It's getting really late. But look, we're going to do this again. I do live calls. They're usually not on Wednesdays. I usually do live YouTube videos on Fridays or Saturdays, but sometimes we'll do them on Wednesdays. Maybe we'll start doing them on Wednesdays. But yeah, like I said, my students are making a ton of money. This student made $11,000, 51% in 5 months. Smaller growth, but still good. This student went from 17,000 to 52. You guys can see here, 200%, very easy. This student, 33,000 in a month. He made 35 grand. Flutes made 35,000 in a month. I have just so many students who just make a lot of money. If you guys want to make this kind of money, the link's pinned right now for you guys to book a call with my team and I to join. I'll repost the link if you want it. There's the link. I doubled my money in 6 months. Awesome, Alum. Alum, you've done a great job in the Discord. I remember you talking about your trades. Very proud, very proud. Yeah, Michael, Wednesday seems pretty good. Oh, God, it'd be terrible. Don't even mention that. Don't even mention it. Don't mention it. That's bad, bad, bad juju. I hope to see all of you guys in the booked calls. If you haven't already, this link is exclusive for today's live video. It'll give you exclusive perks if you book a call. Don't miss out. The market's going to fly. Right now, it's already getting stronger. The sooner you book a call, the sooner you get in the Discord, I can coach you. I want to help you grow this year. It's going to be a great year. Let's not waste any time. Thank you for being here. I love what I do. I love teaching, and I hope to see you guys in the Discord so you can make money like these students and like the students you've seen in here. We'll do this again next Wednesday. I got the webinar in a week and a half. I will see you all again. Love you, fam. Puts on AMD next Friday, 31st of January. 120 puts are going to print. Mwah! You can grow an $1,800 portfolio. Oh, yeah. No, if you sign up, book a call, I will show you how to start. When you get in the Discord, I'll coach you. Don't worry. Tesla price prediction this year, probably like 500 plus, all right? Or higher. Have a good night, everyone. Lexi, I will help you. Don't worry. Anybody who wants to book a call, once I end this live video, save the link, book a call, and I will see you. I'm out. You guys are all the best. I love being here with you. If I didn't answer your question or I didn't look at your stock, it was an accident. I overlooked it. One love. I'll see you in the next video. Gots to go. And like I said, I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. I'll give you guys 1 minute to chat before the video ends.